down the length of the table. With the rotary table to control all of this. Review of this. This is the 2-inch.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a progress report on my 2-inch boring head project. Here's the adapter that goes in my shear line headstock spindle for drill chucks and that kind of thing. 3/8 24 tap. I checked. Diameter's the same, thread pitch the same. Took the tap, one of the drill chucks that screws onto here, right? And the tap started. So now, next time you see me, I'll be out in the shop. I will drill the 3/8 24 tap drill and tap. Then, with this tapped and the shank cut off, screwed into here, this will attach like so. And I will have a really nice boring head for my milling machine and my lathe. Yes, I will. I talk about you can beat skill, you can't beat luck. Skill's great, but every once in a while you gotta let go and let the luck take you. The fact I had the tap, luck. Now, a product review. This, and let me no, that's a bit too close. There we go. That's better. This is the eye gauging 10 power measuring loop. Has a bunch of LEDs, and 4 batteries, and of course the lens here with your protractor and your scale and all those pretty measuring things that you see in this end. Pretty bright, huh? And the graduations, calibrations, the overlaid graduations on this nice and crisp. Eye gauging makes and sells it. I got it from Micromark. I mean, I was making a big order and did a little... anyway, a nice tool. Nice tool. Worth the $54 I paid for it, easily. So, that was a project update and a product review from Poppy's Workshop. Good night from California. Get vaccinated. That's all there is to it. Get vaccinated.